This is the second question of weekly contest 503. In this question, we have given an string password. Now, for the given password, we will describe the strength of the password on the basis of the following rules. What are the rules? First rule, 1 point for each distant lowercase letter A to Z. Means for every lowercase letter A to Z, we are going to give 1 point. For example, for ABC, it will be total be 3 points. 1 point for each. 2 point for each distinct uppercase letter A to Z. If it will be uppercase letter, then we will give 2 points. 3 points if it will be an integer number 0 to 9, or 5 points if it will be a special character. These are some of the special character for which we are going to give 5 points for only these special characters. Now each character contribute at most once, even if appear multiple times. It is saying if each character appear more than one time, still we are going to count it one time only. We are not going to count any character more than one time. For example, if we are given AZ, so here the strength will be 2. Why? For first way, we will count 1. We will give 1 point. For second A, we are going to give 0. Why? Because A is already repeated before. And for Z, since Z is not repeated yet again, it is the first time, we are going to give 1 point. So total will be 2 points. Now we have to solve it. If we are given the constraint, then password will contain only lowercase, uppercase letter, digit and special character. This one. So, okay, only this special character, no other special character will be given. So it will become easy for us. So what we are going to do? For this question, we are just going to store if the current character in the password I am reading is already repeated or not. If it is not come before, then we are going to give the point according to the given rules. So we are going to store the points equal to 0, and we are creating unordered set, so it will be fast. Unordered set will be stored which character we have already seen in password. Now we are going to read each character in password. If st.find, if it is already present in the set, find I, sorry, it should be character, so it will be of character. If st.find I is not equal to st.end, it means we have already found the character in the password, or we have found it in set. It is present in the set. So if it is present in the set, it means we have already found the character. So that's why we didn't reach to end. If it is already present, we will continue. Means we will now move to the next character. Otherwise, we will going to store it in our set, and we are going to increase our point according to the given rules. So if I is greater than equal to lowercase letter a and I is less than equal to z, then point will be increased by 1. As if I is greater than equal to a and I is less than equal to z, points will be increased by 2. As if I is greater than equal to 0 and I is less than equal to 9, then points will be increased by 3, as points will be increased by 5. Now we will return the points, which will be our answer. We will run the test case. Yeah, test case is submitted, are passed, and we will submit our solution. And yeah, our answer is accepted. Let me know in the comment if you have understood the solution. And thanks to see the video.